Hello, Nikita this side. I have started my ortho treatment from Tim Dental Clinic in year 2020. All these years and months have been very great experience in there. Even the staffs were very good and the behavior was quite good. The hygiene was very good. It was all neat and tidy. Even the appliances that was in there were very clean.
Did you experience any pain during the treatment?
Indeed, the pain was very extreme level in the starting, but after appointments in every month, the pain gets to decrease, and all the positiveness and the inlining of the teeth were very good.
Are you happy with the end result of your treatment?
I'm very happy with the end result of my teeth. I wasn't expecting this, but at last it was very good to see proper teeth and a smile.
Can you give a good smile to us?
Sure.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.